Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me, Wrap Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from BC Signature Wrapping Company here in Belgium, Europe. And behind me we have our newest project. This BMW iX soon will be wrapped using colored paint protection film. For this job, we're gonna use extended modified templates. On this panel, we already can see doors, rear quarter panels ready for installation. We have extra 1 centimeter on each side, so it will be way easier to install than doing bulk. Arnold has already removed all contaminants on this vehicle using clay bar, so car is clean and ready. So let's start installation. So far we have finished both sides as well bonnet, and now we still need to install all these parts. Everything is pre-cutted, but all these templates was modified for faster install. Because you know, this is colored paint protection film, not a clear PPF. So we need to cover paint as much as we can. All black parts will stay gloss black. We're wrapping only paint color. So far looks very good. Let's check what's going on in this shop at the moment, because this is a big facility. At the moment in this place we have more than 10 cars. This BMW i8 is almost completed. It is wrapped in colored paint protection film from GSWF. As well, black is black PPF. They want to protect, you want to put not clear PPF, you want to put black PPF. So it's almost finished. Here we have a Mazda. I don't know what's going on with this car. Probably color change wrap. Next to me we have BMW M8 competition with a matte paint. It will receive XPEL Stealth paint protection film. Freshly arrived, still need to wash, still need to prepare. Nice, brand new car. I have never seen competition M8. Looks very beautiful. Here we have BMW for color change wrap. Behind me, Tesla already finished and wrapped. A nice satin silver metallic color, looks beautiful. Audi wrapped in 3M blue, very bright blue. I love this color. Just look at it. Looks amazing. Guys, we should talk about this car. Porsche GT3. It is amazing. I love this car. This Porsche is wrapped in matte paint protection film. Car used to be gloss, now it is matte. Beautiful. Nice. I love it. Nice rims, suits this color so well, and this wing looks amazing. Just look at this wing. It's crazy. I love it. I hope one day we're gonna have something like this. Maybe after 1, 2 years or 10 years. This Land Rover is my dream car as well. Probably the best car for off-roading. I will prefer to have 4 doors, not 2 doors, but it looks good as well. After we're gonna finish with this BMW iX, we will have one more project here at BC Signature. It's gonna be Mercedes EQS, I think so. It's right there in the wash bay. It will be washed, prepared, and after we're gonna finish BMW, we're gonna install clear PPF on this Mercedes. EQS 350. Beautiful. So now let's continue. Color paint protection film installation is a long process because it is a mixture of wet installation and dry installation, and we cannot wrap parts like this in one piece. We need to put our inlays in the right place. This time I decided to do main parts first, and then I will install this middle part when I will done with my main parts, because I need to join the film perfectly, not to have any overlaps. In that case, we're gonna have a nice seamless finish. So guys, as you see, BMW iX is finished and we're done with this project. We're done here at BC Signature. As well, Mercedes is wrapped and also installed clear paint protection film on entire front and rear bumper. So for this video, we're done. With you was me, Virus, and I will see you next time.